Hi, my name is Maria Taylor and I'm an entrepreneur on the go. My passion for food takes me to restaurants around the city. My passion for travel takes me to foodie-approved restaurants around the world. Maria Taylor here, host of What's New in New York at the New York Wine and Food Festival with one of my favorite chefs, G. Garvin. Here at the 2014 Chefs and Champagne event at Wolfer Estate with the Bobby Flay, the Sunny Anderson. Sunny, how you doing today?
I'm having a really good time.
Hello, chefs. How are you? I'm sorry, I'm just going to jump right in the kitchen here. How's the response been so far?
Very well. Everybody loves your cooking.
Yes, thank you. See, I'm a big deal. I know how to cook. Caviar.
I could survive on caviar.
See, I was going to say chapstick, but caviar is way more fancy. Ooh.
What's new in NewYork.com?
That's us. Cheers. It's amazing.
You got it?
Just a muscle.
Like to have mojitos in the summertime?
You know, I like a good mojito myself. Margarita and lemonade had a baby. Don Lemon. You look tan.
You look younger.
Thank you. Oh, we just turned a corner.